So laws 4 and 5 basically work off what we've previously done. So law 4 says A times B to the power of M equals A to the M, B to the M. And that basically says that the power on the outside multiplies everything that's inside the brackets. So an example of this, which is the same example as that I had before on the previous video, is if I have 2b to the 5, that means 2 to the power of 5 times b to the power of 5. We can multiply 2 to the power of 5 out as 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2, which is 8, times 2, which is 16, times 2, which is 32. We don't need to write the times, so b to the 5. So that's law 4. Law 5, that's to do with division. So if I have a over b, and I put that all to the power of m, that's the same as saying a to the m over b to the m. The m acts on everything that's in the brackets. So an example would be if I have y over 3 to the power of 3, that would be y to the power of 3 over 3 to the power of 3, which we could expand to y to the 3 over 27. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. So that's basically index law 4 and 5. If you want, we can look at some more complex examples. So if I have, let's do a pretty complex one, minus 2x to the minus 3y, and make that all to the 4. Each part goes to the power of 4. So we look at the sign and the numeral at the front, so it's minus 2 to the power of 4 times the next part, so that's x to the minus 3, and then that's to the power of 4, so we multiply that by 4 using index law 3, and then we have the third part, which is y, and we put that to the power of 4. So minus 2 to the power of 4, so minus 2 times minus 2, which is 4, times minus 2, which is minus 8, times 2 is 16, times minus 3 times 4, so 3 times 4 is 12, so that's minus 12, x to the minus 12, and y to the 4. It's important that you just do each little bit at a time. So if we do a more complex division one, so if I have minus 2a squared over 3bc cubed, and make that all to the power of 4, we do each little bit at a time. So let's start with our line. So we're going to put the 4 to each part. So minus 2 to the 4 times a squared to the power of 4. So squared to the 4, so we times that by 4. Now let's go below the line. The 3 to the power of 4, b to the power of 4, and c to the 3, and we need to multiply that by 4. Minus 2 to the 4, we already did that up there, so that's 16. A to the 8, and then on the bottom, that's 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. B to the 4, C, 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, that one can't be simplified anymore, so we just leave it like that. Alright, I hope that helps you.